In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Skyscanner app. By updating your Skyscanner app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related with your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So for you to be able to update your Skyscanner app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store, and then look for an update and then update it to the latest version. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for Skyscanner app on my Google Play Store, and here it is. And you can see we have an update here. So to update this flight and hotel Skyscanner app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and then download the latest version of Skyscanner app and then install it to replace the older version of this app. Once the installation is done, now you'll have the latest version of this app. You can now proceed and tap on open to start using it. So that's how you can get the latest version of Skyscanner app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.